Hey guys, today a very special package arrived in the mail from a very special person in Charleston, South Carolina. And this is Johnny. Johnny Tripp from Charleston, South Carolina, a fellow radio operator, 11-meter band radio operator, CB radio operator that I haven't talked to yet on the DX. But I've been in some of his VideoGate live streams, and then he's joined into some of mine too. So anyway, Johnny, we're going to open up this package and check out his YouTube channel. His YouTube channel is Dirty Diaper 21 because that's his handle. So let's just open everything up here without cutting into anything important. Charleston, South Carolina, that's where I want to be, man. A lot of palm trees there, and you know how much I like palms. Oh, this is cool. And I did send you a package. Hopefully my package arrived. So I hope to hear you out there in DX land because I'm going to get you on a VideoGate, buddy. Oh, old radio night 21. Oh, cool. Look at these stickers, man. That's awesome. Thanks, buddy. I totally appreciate it. I'm giving your channel Dirty Diaper 21. Listen for him out there in DX land and check out his YouTube channel, okay? Because this is one guy I want to talk to. Want to meet one day, too. Worldwide skip talker. Stalker. Ha, even better. 21. YouTube, QSL, old radio night. Oh, that's cool. I like it. These are really amazing stickers, man. Look at that. Check out Old Radio Night Live Saturday on YouTube, Unit 21, Dirty Diaper 21. Let's check out the shirt. Oh, cool, man. Dude, this is awesome. So this is the front of the shirt here. Like, this is a pretty classy shirt. Radio, Old Radio Night. Cool. And he's been in the radio a long time. He's got a good setup in South Carolina. Old Radio Night. That is really cool, man. I like that. Live on YouTube. So check out Dirty Diaper 21 on YouTube. Check out his VideoGates and wave at him out there in DX land. And subscribe to his channel. Like and subscribe to his channel. Most of all, that's most important. Like and subscribe to Dirty Diaper 21. Thanks, buddy. Totally appreciate all this. And let me know when my stuff arrives to you. I sent you some QSL cards and some stickers from Salt Spring Island. All right? There it is, man. That is frickin' sweet. Cheers to you, buddy, in 73s. I'll be listening for you.